Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I want to share with you a product I just got that I think you guys will really like. It's something that every car should have in their vehicle. It'll save you a ton of money, and I've already used one multiple times in owning a car, and you don't think you need it until you actually do, and then you wish you had one. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I just picked up. I think you guys will really appreciate. So this product is from Gulu. It's another jump starter tire inflator combo pack. I've done these before. This is a nice one. It's 3,000 amps, 150 PSI. So it covers all your bases in your vehicle. I'll go ahead and open it up here.
It comes
in a nice carry case.
Super nice.
It's a nice heavy duty unit here. Has a lot of different features that come in handy just every day, really.
Has the
nice LCD screen.
The buttons. The thing is nice about this.
And up top,
if you look at here, has
a nice LED light for multiple functions. You plug in the tire inflator there.
And it has the USB.
And this is awesome. Here you can plug USB-C and USBAs to charge your devices. Very important. And then right here, you plug the jumper cables in.
Is where you can plug in the jumper
battery,
cables.
which is always nice. Saves you money and time. And here's all the hardware you get, the jumper cables and the tire inflator in the bag. So everything's included.
So this plugs in.
I'll plug this in here and I'll show you exactly
what it looks like.
How it looks. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. You plug the jumper cables in, you attach that to your positive and negative terminals, and then you just try to start your car, and this will act as a battery pack. It's all you do. It's very simple to use. All this here is to inflate your tires. And then this right here, the functions for the light. And nice jumper cables, like I said. It's a nice unit. Very basic to use. And like I said, it has all the functions that you need. So here's a light. It'll have just a standard light, which is super bright. And you push it again, it has a strobe effect. And you push it one more time and it has SOS. So if you're out and your car is stranded, you can use that to notify drivers. It's a really nice feature. And then you plug the tire inflator in here. You can inflate tires, beach balls. And then here you select what you're using for a car and then select what you want. So say you want 38, 37, 35 PSI, then you push the middle button once. It's going to turn on. And then push it again to stop it. And it'll automatically stop wherever you set it. So if you set it at 37, start it, it'll turn off when the pressure is 37. So you don't have to sit there and watch it. It'll turn off automatically. So that's nice. It's a really nice unit, guys. It's on a good sale right now on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description so you guys can pick it up. And like I said, this is something that everybody should have in their vehicle. Just if something happens, if you leave these dome lights on here, you come out, your battery is dead. You have to call, get a jump. That costs money, costs time. You just pull this out and you're good to go. And then, like I said, you want to charge your kids' devices or your own devices. You have the USB-C and USB-A here that you can use as a battery pack. It's really nice, comes in this case. It's a really nice unit, guys. Like I said, I have multiple of these. Every car we have has one of these inside. It's because when you don't think you need it, you will. And there's a lot of strain on these car batteries now with all the electronics. So you just put this in your trunk. It doesn't take a lot of space. And when you need it, it'll be there for you. So again, I'll put the links in the description so you guys can pick one of these up. There's a special code there that'll save you some money as well. So definitely take advantage of that. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate you guys as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.